Yo people, today I'm going to be fitting this quick shifter. Looks like that. To my Seat Leon Cupra Mk1. And these are the fittings it comes with. So, yeah. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are the shifts at the moment. So it's in neutral. And that's reverse. So here is the gear selector under the bonnet now. And to see if it's in neutral, you'll be able to push it down. You see that? I can put it in gear now. You can no longer push it down. Just make sure that's in neutral before you start anything. And then you want to take this cable off. So you're going to want to unclip this and then pull this off. So I'm going to attempt it with needle nose pliers. Oh, okay, I've lost it. So here I've just got a magnet on a stick, and where did that go? There we go. And then you want to get this cable off. That just pops off now. Just move that, and then you want to get a 13mm and undo this bolt here. Okay, and once that nut is off, keep that aside because you will need to reuse all of these parts. And now the gear selector should be free. Now we're just going to pull up on it. So it's just neutral. Okay, after some time I've got it off. Here it is. I ended up putting the nut back on, just a couple threads, and then just hitting it with a copper hammer. Just put it in gear and then just hit it so it doesn't move up and down, and then it will slowly come up, and then I just wiggled it the rest of the way. So that's the original one, and then that's the new one. There is a couple differences. That's a lot bigger on the old one, and also if we put them side by side, you can see that pivot point is a lot closer. So that's what's going to make the shifting a lot shorter. So I'm just going to try get this one back on, grease up in here with fresh grease, and then make sure that that sits in between that. Well, that's what changes into reverse and all the other gears. So yeah. Right, so that's it snug. Just get it back in neutral. And I believe you have to pull this forward just to recalibrate it. Let me just check that it's in neutral. Alright, and I think that's done. So let's go, let's sit in the driver's seat. Alright, I'm gonna step on the clutch. Okay, that is very short. Hold on, just so you can see. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Reverse. It doesn't go straight to the left, you have to bring it down. Cool, this is the first drive. Let's see what happens. Cool, it's gone into reverse.